Hi guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can get a pairing code in Flo App. So guys, a Flo App is basically a period tracker app. You can also track your pregnancy details or your menopausal details, everything that you want, and you can also link your account with your partner. So to link your account with your partner, you need a pairing code. So first of all, just go ahead and open your Flo app. And now guys, just look at the bottom bar over there, and there are options like today, insights, secret chats, messages, and partner. We just need to go ahead and tap on partner, and once you tap there, you can see these options explaining to you what will happen after you link, and there are also questions, and once you tap on them, you can find the answers there. And guys, now just go ahead and tap on link partner over here. There you go guys, the Flo app has generated a code for you. Your partner will receive a link to download the Flo app. He'll then use the code to pair your profiles. First of all, you would want your partner to download the app, and then he should just use the code to pair the profiles. In order to do that, just go ahead and tap on send pairing code. And guys, that's how you get pairing code on your app Flo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.